Okay. The last one, output resistance. So now
Sir,
yeah,
so
yes,
can we say that emitter resistance is directly proportional to input resistance and inversely proportional to voltage gain?
yes, yes. Or you put it this way: input resistance is proportional to Re, and voltage gain is proportional to 1 by Re. You can summarize it that way. Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And last one, output resistance. I want the answer from you. What is the output resistance? In the output side of your transistor, what all resistance you see? See, I told you for finding input resistance, you have to remove all the external components, right? For finding output resistance also, we have to remove all the external components. So what is the external component we connected? It is RL. So I'll be removing this RL. So what is the output resistance? What all resistance are there in the output side? See the output loop. What all resistance you have? What all resistance you have in the output loop?
Sir, we have RE.
RE, only RE? You have a current source. I told you what is the resistance of current source. Resistance of current source. It is, I told you in the last class, right? It is infinite. And these two, if you consider this loop, the current flowing through this current source will be flowing through this RE. So the two resistance are in series. So what is the effective resistance? Infinity plus RE. What is the effective resistance? What is the effective resistance here?
Infinite,
Infinity,
sir.
infinite. Yes, if you don't consider RL, if you remove this RL, the output resistance is infinite. See here, that is what is given. The output resistance with RL excluded is infinity. Can anybody say what is the output resistance if RL is included? Can you say what is the output resistance if RL is included? It is a bit tricky, but if you say the answer, you are great. You have understood the concepts well. What all resistance you can see if you connect this RL also, if you consider this RL also. One resistance is RL. It is available here. What is other resistance you see? One is the resistance of current source infinity. Other one is RE. I can say this infinity and RE are in series. So infinity plus RE becomes infinity. Anything parallel to infinity is anything parallel to infinity
Infinite,
is
sir.
that resistance. So when you include RL, the output resistance is RL. When you don't include RL, the output resistance is infinity. Is this point clear to everybody? If you have any doubts or if you
Sir,
find,
so VC
yes,
will be same between RE and RL? No, right?
we see. When what case you are asking?
Suppose we are telling that RE and RL are parallel, right, sir? With IC, right? IC plus RE will be parallel to RL, right?
Yes, yes.
So won't VC also be same for both?
Same means VC, I'm just finding across the collector, right? I just limit my VC to the collector and ground.
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Got it, sir. Sorry.
Okay,
Yeah.
and only
Thank you.
VE, see, usually this emitter resistance RE will not be there, but here since RE is there only, you have all the confusion to find the output resistance. See, when you find the output resistance without RL, it is very simple. Infinity plus RE becomes infinity. So it is very simple. When you include RL, this RL will be available through the collector and ground, and other things will be coming parallel with RL. So two things will be coming in parallel with RL. One is the current source resistance infinity, and other thing is RE. So infinity plus RE is infinity. Anything parallel to infinity, that resistance. So infinity parallel to RL is RL. See, that is what you have to visualize and see. This input resistance and output resistance are not physically available in the circuit. You have to remove the components, you have to add the components and see what is happening to my input resistance. So is the circuit clear? What is the output resistance with RL and without RL? If I am asking you one question. you find the input resistance. We have found the input resistance without RS, right? So what will be the input resistance with RS? When you include the voltage source, what will be the input resistance? So we got the